Top 10 Travel Destinations for 2021. Those who casually dismissed travel opportunities with a flippant "I'll get around to it one day" will be looking to 2021 with a hunger to escape our own corners of the world for new adventures. There's a world of beautiful beaches, epic mountain ranges, vibrant cities, delightful villages and luscious landscapes just waiting to be explored. Costa Rica has long held a special place in the eco-travelers' hearts and still commands its place at the top of the pile for a truly breathtaking destination. Costa Rica has the wonderful luxury of being flanked by both the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, whilst being small enough to allow visitors the opportunity to visit both coasts in one stay without having to take a month off. Don't miss. There is honestly so much to see and do in Costa Rica that a tour is really your best option, but make sure it includes Monteverde Cloud Forest and at least one of the national parks, such as Corcovado, to try and spot jaguars and Costa Rica's iconic tree frogs. When someone tells you they're going on safari, the default images are of Kruger in South Africa and Kenya, but amongst the travelers in the know, Botswana has quietly built up a reputation as one of the best safari destinations in the world. Don't miss. Take a water safari and enjoy the Okavango Delta's abundance of wildlife from a different angle as you meander down the river, winding your way past crocodiles while watching elephants. The rise in popularity of the Adriatic regions of Europe has been widely acknowledged, and for years, the default trip was to either Italy or, perhaps more recently, Croatia, with its rich history and stunning Dalmatian coast beaches. Don't miss. Lake Bled remains the most popular destination, but for good reason. If there's one group of travelers who seem to be able to pick phenomenal destinations time after time in pursuit of their hobby, it's surfers. It seems that where surfers go, one of the best eco-tourism follows, and this is the case with the stunning island of Pulau Merah, or the Red Island as it's affectionately known. Fringed with deserted idyllic stretches of sandy beaches and tropical reefs with the Javan jungle spilling onto its shores, the island resembles true paradise. Don't miss. Surfing and relaxing at Red Island Beach and a visit to the delightful Puratawang Island. Kangaroo Island harks back to the Australia of the past, before the gaudy skyscrapers of the Gold Coast came to represent the modern version of a country that is best seen in this arena, unspoilt and dazzling. Don't miss. Flinders Chase National Park for breathtaking scenic hikes amid stunning rock formations. Well known for its major cities like Dubai, the United Arab Emirates was the most searched for destination for 2021, and with good reason. You can enjoy a desert safari or visit the wonderful Jebel Jais mountain range on the passage to Ras Al Khaimah, the northernmost emirate, which offers tourists ancient museums, mosques, beautiful coastline and the splendid Deir Fort mountain top. Simply put, a visit to the UAE really shouldn't be limited just to Dubai. There's a real world of wonder in this magical desert destination. Where to stay? Hotel Melia, Dubai, a brand new 5-star hotel which is an architectural wonder. Although there is often the urge to travel to warmer climes when you're looking for your next destination, sometimes it is the ones without the guaranteed sunshine that give you the greatest experiences. Only accessible by ferry, the Isle of Mull is a small island on the Inner Hebrides just off Scotland which offers a truly authentic and invigorating experience. For fans of walking and those who seek rugged adventure, their stunning waterfall scrambles, kayaking, boating, wild swimming in lochs, all in the shadows of ancient castles and white sand beaches that wouldn't be out of place in the Caribbean. The island's colorful capital, Tobermory, is where local fishermen continue to ply their trade and local whiskey distilleries and smokehouses produce some fine drink and cuisine for weary explorers fresh from a day out at sea, whale watching or visiting the ancient and beautiful Isle of Iona just off the southern tip of the island. Mull feels like a trip back in time, before buildings stretched to the sky, and the world felt so crowded. It's a place where eagles soar in the sky and the rugged wilderness feels like it could reclaim the island for itself at any time. Don't miss, take a whale-watching boat trip from Tobermory around the island to Staffa and Iona. Although you may question why such a well-known destination would feature again in a list with the top 10 travel destinations for 2021, there can be no doubt that the beauty and relaxation of the Maldives is more urgently needed than ever before. After such a tumultuous year, the unique island perfection of the Maldives is one that must be enjoyed to be believed. The Maldives is likely once more to claim its crown as the most luxurious escape destination in the world as many travelers seek to escape to paradise. The Maldives has so much more to offer than simply the overwater bungalows and pristine beaches. It's now firmly planted itself among the world's premier diving, surfing and paddleboarding destinations, and it's one of the few places where all ages can snorkel amongst some of the most colorful and magnificent sea creatures, safely and just yards from your resort. The resorts in the Maldives have been fastidious in their COVID-safe travel preparations, and the feeling of safety on the islands is all but guaranteed. Even after all these years, the Maldives still guarantees a simply unforgettable experience. Where to stay? Vela Private Island Resort, winner of our Luxury Resort of the Year award in the Deluxe Travel Awards and a truly wonderful resort in paradise. But this is a country of ancient valleys, vast mountain ranges, soaring over the green fields and rich with history and culture. Since the election of Imran Khan, who has been a proponent of increased tourism, the relaxing of visa restrictions among other initiatives is allowing more visitors to enjoy all this extraordinary country has to offer. Pakistan feels borderline schizophrenic in the best way possible, with the dizzying, bustling streets of Lahore, where you can witness over 1 lakh worshippers stream into the stunning 17th century Badshahi Mosque, giving way to exquisite, almost empty scenery in areas like the Shandur Pass and the breathtaking Karakoram mountain range, home to the world's second highest mountain, K2. With so many wonders to see, from hiking the popular but stunning ferry trail to the foot of the sacred Nanga Parbat mountain, to the ancient and deserted cylinders of the Derawar Fort, set deep in Punjab, 130 kilometers south of the city of Bahawalpur, or paddling a colorful rustic boat on Saiful Muluk Lake, which sits in a valley above Nara, surrounded by snow-capped mountains and glaciers. There are so many spectacles to enjoy you'll wonder why this is only your first time there. There are few more astonishing places in the world to visit in 2021, and although it is still classed as a high-risk destination by some, once you find yourself immersed in the Mughal architecture across the land or amongst the Kalash of the Hindu Kush, you will be reminded what the essence of travel is really about. Where to stay? Greenland Fairy Meadow Resort. Stop off on the Karakoram Highway and enjoy the spectacle and the serenity of a truly magical location. Another coconut palm swathed travel discovery that owes much of its place in our list to the intrepid surfers, who seem to have an unnerving ability to uncover gems across the globe. Siargao is a must for those looking for a slice of heaven on earth. Known as the surfing capital of the Philippines, Siargao was voted best island in the world by readers of Condé Nast Traveler magazine in 2019, and for good reason. With its pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise waters, waterfalls, natural lagoons, caves, and peppered with small, picturesque islands just off its shoreline, complete with colorful coral reefs teeming with rainbow sea creatures, Siargao really feels like paradise. While surfers may be thanked for putting Siargao on the travel map, this lovely island also features a host of other delights for all tourists, including world-class snorkeling and diving in the crystal waters and delicious local and international cuisine for every discerning traveler's palate. The island has more in common with Pulau Merah in Java than the 5-star decadence of the Maldives, But there is a stream of cool, independent new hotels and businesses, although, in keeping with the trend du jour, they are working hard to retain a sensitive and sustainable approach. Adventurous travelers will rejoice in casting their eyes across a sea of coconut trees, truly a miraculous sight, and visiting the rock pools at Macpupunco. And if surfing, sailing, kayaking, sightseeing and enjoying local cuisine isn't enough, for a truly special experience, catch a boat out to the island of Bucas Grande to swim with stingless jellyfish. Don't miss Naked Island for breathtaking swimming and snorkeling on a sliver of white sand beach surrounded by vibrant coral reefs. Where to stay? Napald Hideaway, the only 5-star resort on the island for luxury, or the gorgeous Harna Surf Resort for rustic sustainability.